Congratulations on taking the first steps towards fighting your hair loss. Based on the answers on your quiz, you've been experiencing noticeable hair loss and want to finally take control of it. No need to worry, we've got you covered. We'll need to take a 3-step approach. Number 1, stop hair loss from the root. Number 2, increase blood circulation to the scalp. And number 3, provide your body with the right nutrients for your hair to grow. To do this, we recommend the Advanced Hair Restoration Kit. It comes with VitaFoam, a scalp roller, and our Complex 10 multi-supplement. You'll use VitaFoam twice daily. This will stimulate blood circulation to the scalp and promote new hair growth while also blocking DHT, the hormone responsible for causing hair loss. You'll also take Complex 10 daily. Think of this as the fertilizer for your hair. When you use fertilizer on grass, it grows much thicker and healthier. Complex 10 has all the micronutrients like biotin, iron, zinc, and DHT blockers, essential for healthy hair growth and preventing future hair loss. Lastly, once a week, you'll use the scalp roller. Simply roll it on the balding area in all directions 10 to 15 times. This stimulates collagen production and protein for hair growth. Now, studies show that using these two in combination can increase growth by up to 400%. Remember, just like anything worth having, it takes time and consistency. Within 3 months of using this system, you'll see your hair fall slow down significantly. And by month 5, you will start to see new regrowth on lost ground. We're confident that this 3-step system will help you regrow and maintain your hair for years to come. And if you have any questions, we're always around the corner to help.